Hey tubers, I'm back at the good old snowblower. Took a 2-day hiatus. You know, when you get frustrated, I tell you, I've thrown everything at that damn thing just so I can get it, you know, taken apart. And it's just too damn old. And yeah, so yeah, I threw everything I could at it. And fucking thing, jeez, I'm telling you, see if you like it. Fucking not working. It'll be easier. Why don't you just fucking make it easy on me? You don't like it, do you? Piece of shit. Holy crap. I don't know what I gotta do. I just like throw it at you. It's never ending. Why don't you just work for me? I hate you. Yeah, so today we're going to put this stuff back together and try and, well, I know it'll work. It's just a matter of getting the shit back together. Basically, the only thing I did is right on the impeller there is you have the bends, the dents on everything. And you can see those self-tappers in there. So you get a good shot here. That's what I put on. It's just basically really tough mud flaps from a transport truck. And that's about the only thing I did to it, really. Besides trying to clean stuff up. I'm not going to try and rip it off. It's fine. It works. It just works slowly. It doesn't work very well. It still works though. So put it back together before the snow comes and or the snow comes again. I've been lucky. Yeah, so bear with me while I put this shit back together. Alright, so yeah, try this again. I was telling you that I was undoing the bottom of the shroud. There's a piece of metal runs along the back. It's supposed to be a guide that keeps it off the ground a bit too, and stops you from digging up a bunch of shit. And my shroud, the back of it anyways, this is all worn. This end's smaller than this end. And all the bolts are worn down from riding against the ground so long. It's actually made it a sharp edge, which is kind of funny. So I'm going to take this piece off. I had to drill out one bolt, nut and bolt, and hopefully the rest go fine. Basically, I'm going to put that piece of rubber, cut it to size, and put it back here and let it sit underneath and keep the back up and over everything instead of digging and then throwing it out and damaging everything. So yeah. Okay, so 3 out of 6. 3 out of 6 nuts here. Shit just wants to round out, so you know it's rusted just like everything else. So yeah, just gotta tap this one off and away I go. Looking to get some new bolts and nuts and put that rubber piece in. That should be it. Alright, so far I've got the bracket that holds the bolts, nuts and bolts off. This bracket that sits on the back of the shroud there. It covers the auger. Next step is to sand some of that down, grab the wire brushes and get her cleaned up, and then cut a piece of rubber that's sitting on the floor there. Once I get that done, I can throw everything back together, and hopefully I won't run into any more hiccups. Now I gotta find 6 bolts and nuts to fit that shit, which I believe I got plenty. They're just all up in here. Alright, so about to get back at her here. Took a little break, went inside, sat on the couch and watched some TV. Just gonna cut a piece of that rubber off there and put it in between the pinch it between the whatever. I'll show you what I'm doing once I get the rubber cut. So bear with me. No measurement needed, just gonna go ahead and cut. So I know I need 25 inches of this stuff. Oh, crap. The old tape measure out here. Let's see what I can do. All right. Just like that. Got myself a piece. Alright, so far so good. Had to drill the holes open, make them a little bigger so I fit these nuts and bolts on it. I forgot to put washers on the end ones, but I don't give a shit. I'm just going to go ahead and throw this stuff back on and see where I end up. Well, I've got the shroud on. The rubber's on the bottom. I'm going to put the auger on. That should be fun. So hang out with me while I try and get this shit on. You can hear me swear and holler and all the good stuff. Yeah. So hopefully you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, let's try and remember. I think it came off that way. I'm not sure. Back can't tape that kind of crap. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to stop the video because I can't line up the keyway into the sprocket. My back hurts trying to do it, so bear with me. Okay, so the bitch of everything is that goddamn keyway, the gear. Trying to get everything to go in together. That bitch there. I know there's a felt gasket, but I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna use that gasket maker, some high temp gasket maker. And yeah. So I guess you can watch while I try and put some on. Oh. Let's see. I'll get my gasket maker stuff. Oh. I do know they make kits for this. I'm cheap, and I have the stuff, so why buy more that I don't need? Alright, so find a place to put you. I don't know. Let's see if you can watch some of that there. Oh, you're gonna fall. Yeah, I get that was a crap job. Ask me if I'm really carrying over that much. Alright. Let's see. Push together. Yeah, maybe you could sit back here and watch or something. Maybe I'll throw you down here. Nah, that won't work. I'll just put you back here. Alright, let's see. See if this will work. Oh, that won't work. Gotta go the other way, dummy. Alright, that closed her up nice. Yeah. Alright. Yep. Okay, so let me wrap this up. I'm going to put some a little more gasket maker on it, see if I can squeeze it in the holes there, or the crack. Yeah, sounds about right. And when I'm finished with that, we'll put the sides on. And hopefully I'll have enough time tonight to take it out for a test drive. Alright, tubers, we're going to call it for the night. We're just going to work on this tomorrow. I've got that far, just so we're clear. Got a little bit more to go. I'm getting tired. And fire's died down. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me how much of an idiot I am. That's fine. That's okay. I'll still wake up tomorrow. Same person. Anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.